Hello, Joelle here. Another question that I've gotten often is, how do you manage some of the email that comes in every time a student submits an assignment and you end up with 75 new emails every day? To stop that from happening, come up here to the drop-down menu and scroll down to Settings. And it's just right here in email notifications. I already have mine turned off. You can select which notifications that you want on or off right here. And if you turn them off just like that, then you won't get a notification every time a new assignment has been posted to you. What I do when I have assignments is I make sure that I return them to students. So if I've graded this assignment, where's one that I've graded and returned 20 of them, every time a student does a late assignment, I know I have 5 I need to grade because they've come in late, and 1 student who has not yet done it. So hopefully you can figure out how to turn off those notifications and make it just that much easier.